Do you see ways that we can relook at what we are gathering because we're required to and make it more useful to the tribe zone plan and its future?
Well, it's a trick, but I do think that what we need to go back to is the place where our tribes individually have each historically helped families be strong, children be well, and what kind of information helped us get there. So if we look at that, it really is generations of understanding what's well-being. It's how our ceremonies have been put together. It's our understanding of what works, what's well, and it's all information and data collected over time. It's not on spreadsheets. It's not on anybody's computer, but it's data collection.
Part of the issue is a lot of tribal folks, I don't work on reservation, are scared off by the term data, that we all kind of, whoa, and we don't see it as something that can be useful to us, only that we have to deliver 1, 2, 3, and 4, feed it back to whoever the federal funder is or the state funder, and then we're done with it, as opposed to trying to integrate the different data that we have to give back to various federal funders in most cases. And we don't use that as a tool for only. How do you see that as a challenge that can be overcome?
I think that the trick is then to take a look at bridging that gap between our own specific interests, our traditional indigenous ways of looking at making families and children strong. We need to start there and then talk about what is it that we need, what each individual tribe and unique community might need to help move their planning, their services and practices forward. We need to come back to tribal values, tribal family and community values, and start there to look at what it is that we need, what kind of information do we need. We have to put those requirements on ourselves, and they I think need to be based in our own indigenous values.